Welcome to another episode of our South Korea travel series, and today we are here at the Gamcheon Cultural Village in Busan.
And this particular village is also known as Korea's Lego village. So colorful, so beautiful, filled with murals, art sculptures, paintings all around. So colorful. And it was built in 1950s
for the refugees of the Korean War, and now it's been transformed into an art and cultural village. But this is still a residential area, so just be mindful when you just walk around the village. Just be respectful for others. How we reached here? We basically took a taxi from our hotel in the Nampadong area.
Yeah.
It's around 2.5 kilometers from our hotel. So we reached within 10 minutes. And it's a very good weather today, just 17 degrees.
Yeah, it's pleasant.
And this particular village is open from 9 a.m. till 6 p.m. And it gets crowded really fast, right? There's so many tourists like us already here. So basically we are, just competing for each and every photo or the video that we have to take to make sure no one photobombs our, photos.
Yeah. So we're just going to explore and check out the place.
Yeah.
These are like patches of wood painted with colorful artwork, and it's so beautiful. And it's a huge fish. So pretty. This one. Cherry blossoms. Jimin and Jungkook are actually from Busan. That's why they had their murals here.
Nice.
Take this one.
What is that?
It's a salt bread. Gamcheon salt bread. Take that.
You want to feed the cat?
Yeah, look at the cat. It's peeping outside like it wants bread.
It's actually inside, peeping inside.
Yeah. What is this? Almond lusk. Is it rusk? Hey, there's a cat-shaped cake.
Looks very cute, isn't it?
Yeah. You want a croissant?
No, I might take that cake.
You want a cake?
Yeah.
So cute. Look at that. The cinnamon cake as well. Oh, thank you. 감사합니다. The cinnamon cake. You want a small one and try it?
Yeah, sure. Go for it.
It looks nice.
I think South Korean people love cinnamon.
I'll take one of
They even
this.
add it to their coffee.
Yeah, and cappuccinos. So we'll take this.
Yeah. So what do you got? We got
The cat cake, cinnamon cake, and salt bread.
you want anything to drink?
You want a coffee?
Yeah, cappuccino.
One
if they have.
cappuccino?
Yes.
If they have, yeah.
Without
Okay.
cinnamon, please.
Photo.
Oh, you should hold that. She's asking you to hold the photo there.
She's so cute. Got the salt bread.
So this is the Gamcheon bakery, right? So, and they are famous for that cat
Peeping inside.
peeping inside the bakery. It's so cute. And there's also the little prince and the fox mural.
Yeah.
Yeah, she recommends to take photo with that particular mural.
The famous prince and the fox.
Yes. And the profit of this particular bakery goes into the restoration work of this particular village. So yeah, it's pretty cool, and they have very nice options actually.
Yeah.
Yeah. Is that the salt bread? Yeah.
Even the cup has a cat.
Cat mural. Yeah.
Have a happy day. That's so cute. It's crispy on the outside and just hollow and salty. So satisfying, right? Look at this, so cute.
Yeah. It's actually a sandwich of two breads.
Really? I thought it was a cake, marble cake.
There's a jam, I think, in between.
Oh yeah, it is jam. It has a lot of jam, filled with jam.
Yeah. You could see it in the wrapper as well. Let's try. The first bite was very hard, but I think the inside is softer.
Yeah. These cat murals are so cute.
What are they saying?
I do know something in Korean. It's so cute.
Let's find out. Let's translate.
There's so many things about the cats.
Let's see what they're saying in Korean. So this cat is saying, "Welcome. Is this your first time?"
Yes, it is our first time. Nice to meet you.
Amrita, do you know what is this line for?
Oh, that the statue of Prince and the Fox
Yeah,
and
the little
overlooking.
prince and the fox.
Oh my God, that's
Do you want to stand in queue?
a long queue. I think it's not too bad.
Okay,
Let's see.
stand there.
Let's wait. Yeah. We gave up on the little Prince and the Fox place because
That's too crowded, and we have very limited time. We have to reach the KDX or the Busan station at 1 o'clock, and the time is now 10:50. So that means we are left with 1 hour 10 minutes to complete everything.
yeah.
It's just like Lego pieces. They're so close to each other and so tiny. And there is one cherry blossom tree over there, the white one. See that?
Oh yeah. This is also one of the spots where there'll be so many cherry blossoms during spring.
Yeah, I mean now it's a springtime, but I think it's gonna look different in another 1 week time.
Yeah. Everything is so close to each other, like every
like
building.
a Lego piece. They're so
Yeah.
close, they're so tiny, and most of them are in blue color.
Blue, green, pink. Blue,
Yeah.
green, pink.
There's orange one.
All
There are
pastel
two orange
colors.
ones.
Yeah. There's so many viewpoints here as well, right? If you don't get the Little Prince and the Fox, if you come a little front,
Yeah.
you'll find this place. It's called Lighthouse Viewpoint
Yeah.
Photo Zone.
And I think you definitely need half a day here if you really want to go around. And again, I think there's something we are not doing. You can collect the stamps actually at the entrance. You have the information center where you get a map, and every place has got a stamp. You can just get the stamp on that particular map. So I don't know how many stamps you need to collect, but it's like a kind of a fun activity, and also ensures that you are visiting every spot in the map as well.
Yeah. We had that in our plan,
But with the limited amount of time we got, actually we're spending we were planning to spend at least 3 hours over here, but it looks like 3 hours are not enough at the moment.
yeah, it's not enough.
Yeah.
창가에 비가 내려와 텅 빈 방 안에 네가 떠올라 조금은 익숙해진 이 그리움도 오늘따라 더 아프게 와 웃으며 보내줬지만 사실은 매일 널 부르고 있어 가슴속 깊이 남은 말 아직 못한 그 한마디 I miss you more than I can say 밤하늘에 속삭여봐도 닿지 않는 그 말 보고 싶다 그 말 아직 너에게 못 처음처럼 함께 걷던 길 네가 웃던 그 순간이 계절처럼 다시 돌아올까. 멀어진 시간이지만 심장은 여전히 널 기억해. 그 누구도 대신할 수 없는 너